Hello children, hope you enjoyed last day's class. Do you remember what you studied last day? Yes, we start with a new lesson, animal life. What all things we learned in that? Okay, now let's recall. The first one we studied, what are wild animals? Now tell me children, what are wild animals? Animals that live in the forest are called wild animals. Which are two examples for wild animals? Lion and tiger. Next we learn what are domestic animals. Now tell me children, what are domestic animals? Animals that are kept in farms or in houses are called domestic animals. Example, cow, buffalo. After that, we learned how do animals help us? Yes, tell me, how do animals help us? Yes, animals help us in different ways. The first point was cow, buffaloes and goats give us milk. The second point was, yes, ducks and hens give us eggs. The third point, we get wool from sheep. The fourth point, we get silk from silkworms. And the fifth point, the last point was, yes, we get honey from honeybees. So these are the main 5 points. Next, we learned food habits of animals. Yes, animals eat different kinds of food. Cow, buffalo, goat and elephant eat grass, yes, plants and leaves. Okay, next, tiger, wolves, then lion, leopards, what they will eat? They will kill and eat the flesh of other animals. So this is what we learned yesterday. Now we are going to start with our new topic, homes for animals. So shall we start children? Okay children, take out your worksheet, page number 6. Homes for animals. So this is our next topic. Now look into your paper children. Animals are found in all kinds of places. They live on land, in water and on trees. Some animals make their own homes. Yesterday I told you some animals live on land and some in water and some on trees. And I told about the examples. Here some animals make their own homes, but some they don't have any home. Some of them will depend on other animals. Let's see. Wild animals like the lion, bear and tiger do not make homes for themselves. So, can you guess where do they live? Yes, they live in caves or they will live under the trees. Now look into your paper children. Wild animals like lion, bear and tiger do not make homes for themselves. In the forest, they live under the tree or in caves. Do you see the picture here? Yes, you can see lion in a cave. And here also you can see the bears are inside the cave. So these are the two examples I have given here. Now, rabbits, rats and ants make burrows to live in. You see a burrow here? Yes, here you can see 3 rabbits in the burrow. So, which all animals live in burrow? Yes, rabbits, then rats and ants. Next, termites make termite hill. Have you seen a termite hill, children? Yeah, you can see here the picture is given here. This is called termite hill. So termites live in termite hill. Next one, birds make nest when it is time for them to lay their eggs. Have you seen a nest? Yes? So birds make nest when it is time to lay their eggs. So when they want to lay their eggs, they will make the nest. Otherwise, where do they live? Yes. Otherwise, other times they live on trees. Many bees together make a beehive and live in it. So have you seen a beehive? Yes, you can see a beehive here. So many bees together make a beehive. Do 1 or 2 bees together? No, many bees together make a beehive. Next, spider makes webs. They use the webs to catch the insects to eat. So, spider makes, here you can see a spider web. You see the spider web? Yes. Spider webs are used to catch insects and to eat. Some animals like fishes, frogs, turtles, crabs, etc. live in water bodies such as ponds, lakes, rivers, sea, etc. Some animals live on land as well as water. Examples like crocodile, tortoise, frog, etc. So in the last paragraph, some animals like fishes, frogs, turtles, crab, you can see them in ponds, lakes, rivers, sea, etc. But here some animals, they live both on land as well as in water. Can you name some examples? Yes, crocodile, frogs, crab, turtles, etc. So this is what is there in page number 6. Is that clear, children? So once again I will read. Please follow with your finger. Homes of animals. Listen carefully. Animals are found in all kinds of places. They live on land, in the water and on trees. Some animals make their own homes, while wild animals like the lion, bear and tiger do not make homes for themselves. In the forest, they live under the trees or in caves. Rabbits, rats and ants make burrows to live in. Termites make termite hill. Birds make nests when it is time for them to lay their eggs. At other times, they live on trees. Many bees together make a beehive and live in it. Spiders make webs. They use the webs to catch the insects to eat. Some animals like fishes, frogs, turtles, crabs, etc. live in water bodies such as ponds, lakes, rivers, sea, etc. Some animals live on land as well as water like crocodile, tortoise, frog, etc. So shall we move on to the next page? Yes, take page number 7. Some animals find a place to live in. An owl. See, an owl finds a hole in a tree. You can see an owl in a tree. Hole in a tree. A snake finds a burrow made by other animals. I told who lives in burrow in the last page. Who all lives in burrow? Rats, rabbits and ants. And here the snake. Have you seen a snake? Where do the snake live? Do snake have any homes? What they will do? Yes, snake finds a burrow that is made by other animals. Several insects live beneath the stones and in crack of walls. Insects like beetles, grasshopper, ladybugs, where do they live? They live beneath the stone or cracks in a wall. Next one, some animals do not have a home. Some animals, they do not have a home. Have you seen an elephant? Yes, you all have seen an elephant. But do you know where it lives? No. Elephant roam around in the forest. They do not make any home or they do not have any home. What they will do? They will roam around the forest. What about monkeys and squirrels? Monkeys and squirrels live in trees. Now, the next heading, we built homes for some animals. We built homes for some animals. Let's see which are animals. The first one, we make kennels for dogs. The second one, we make coops for hen. The third one, we make stables for horse. We make aquariums for fish. We make cowshed for cow. Here you can see the pictures given below. The first one, where do the dogs live? Yes, dogs live in a kennel. Do you see a kennel here? Yes, dogs live in kennels. The second one, hen. Where do the hen live? Yes, we make coops for the hen. So this is called a coop. Next one, we make stables for horse. Do you see the stable here? Yes, this is the picture. The next one, we make aquariums for fish. Do you see the picture here? Yes, this is the picture. I think almost everyone will be having an aquarium at home. You all like to see. You can see fishes in it. Yes? Yes, children. The next one, we make cow shed for cow. The last one you can see a cow shed. Do you see the cow shed, children? Yes. So we make cow shed for cow. Once again, dogs live in kennels. Then cow live in cow shed. Fish lives in aquarium. Then horse lives in stable. And the hen lives in coops. Is that clear, children? Okay, now I am going to read the lesson. Please listen. Please follow with your finger. Page number 7. Some animals find a place to live in. An owl finds a hole in a tree. A snake finds a burrow made by other animals. Several insects live beneath stones and in cracks in wall. Some animals do not have a home. Elephants roam around in forest. Monkeys, squirrels live on trees. We build homes for some animals. We make kennels for dogs. We make coops for hen. We make stables for horse. We make aquariums for fish. We make cowshed for cows. So is that clear? So we finished our chapter. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you.